Lighthouse for Life. We are down to 1 week before our annual Light the Fight Glow in the Dark 5K run/walk. And don't forget, this is a dog-friendly event, which is why Harley is here with me. Harley, say hi. And this year is going to be our first year that we actually have a prize for the first dog that crosses the finish line. Let me show you. It's a glow-in-the-dark collar. It can be trimmed down to size. And then it's also a glow-in-the-dark bone that you stuff with different treats, and so it can be endless hours of fun for your puppy. So bring your puppy, bring your kids, bring your strollers, deck out in glow gear. We have these really fun t-shirts this year that glow in the dark. And remember that the whole purpose of the event is one that you can invest in your families to reduce the target on their back, as well as help us come alongside and provide so much hope and healing to others whose lives have already been victimized by the darkness of sex trafficking. So you can register at lighthouseforlife.org/events, and we'll see you on Saturday.